This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Toyota RAV4. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Value Package and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Toyota's certification includes a 160-point inspection and an extensive reconditioning process, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. This crossover also has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.